Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 6th of October 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the Minnesota Public Utilities Commission on Friday unanimously approved the $6.2 billion sale of Allete to the Canada Pension Plan Investment Board and BlackRock's Global Infrastructure Partners. They found that the benefits of the deal to ratepayers outweighed the risks of private equity ownership. As part of the deal, CPP Investments and GIP were ordered to fund Allete's $5 billion capital plan and provide $50 million for firm clean power. Overall, the deal's benefits to ratepayers totals about $200 million. An estimated 22,000 jobs in the wind manufacturing industry could be created in Appalachian Kentucky and neighboring states in the coming decades. The region's existing skilled workers, manufacturing history, and unique geography could make the Commonwealth a key player. Kentucky already manufactures a little bit over 2% of all of the ball and roller bearings that are built in the whole United States. The U.S. administration's attack on the offshore wind industry is squeezing a key revenue stream for the subcontractors that help build wind farms. It is forcing many companies to put investment plans on ice. Fugro, a provider of geological data to the energy sector, recently withdrew guidance after issuing 3 profit warnings in 12 months, partly blaming offshore wind challenges. It also announced a more restrained approach to capital expenditure in 2026. That includes plans to invest in unmanned service vessels, autonomous ships that can be used for environmental monitoring and hydrographic surveying. The world continues to dawdle politically in its response to the climate crisis, but clean energy is booming, responsible for almost all new energy capacity and drawing double the investment of fossil fuels globally. But now, the market has shifted. American cities and states committed to climate action can help to fill the void left by the federal government. Markets and subnational governments will continue to shift and cover for a federal policy which seeks to deliberately undermine renewables. Governor Tina Kotek of Oregon signed Executive Order 25-25 on Monday. It is intended to fast-track renewable wind and solar projects in Oregon. The move aims to help projects qualify for federal tax credits before the deadline on the 4th of July 2026. According to the order, state agencies will prioritize the siting and permitting of renewable energy projects. This step is crucial as developers face a deadline to begin construction to qualify for the ITC and PTC. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.